Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 28th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor, blah, blah, blah. So Tesla closed at 694.64, down 10 bucks, down 1.43%. Post-market, 696.70. I don't trust these post-markets very much from TradingView, I'm sorry. This is my own personal opinion. So let's look at the chart today. So basically, yeah. So not too surprised. So yesterday we had a breakdown of this support here, became resistance yesterday. So we were expecting maybe Tesla will hold above 709 today, or go back above 709 today. It did not do that. So we see the wick it did today. It opened today here, went back up to 710, then went back down to 694 with a very small wick at the bottom, a huge wick on top. So there's really a big selling pressure. So it just goes to show that news are one thing and how the market react are an entirely different thing. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to get more detail about what happened today. So 930 is right here. So open here, went up, and then boom, was rejected almost exactly on 709. In fact, the high of the day was 708. So got rejected by this this resistance. So yeah, this is now a resistance. It's no longer support for us. So then the stock stayed pretty much sideways throughout the day. During the last hour and a half, we see this smaller bodied candle, which is showing a decrease in volatility. So things were not moving much. And then during the last hour, well, the last 30 minutes, we have this red candle. So and if we look at the stochastic on the 1 hour chart, it's at 1. There's really nothing to hold the stock up. So I would not be surprised if it would continue going down tomorrow. Let's look at the support now. So we have a support here that I drew. I think I might have changed it a bit. So I could have drawn it here. So maybe it's better to draw it here because it touches this candle here, this one, and this one. So we have 3 candles, but then it doesn't take into account this one. So let me get rid of this to make things a little bit clearer. I think we had one here too. So I'm not too sure. Maybe this is where the downtrend really is. So if that is true, then Tesla can easily go today and test this. So maybe 655 tomorrow. I would not be surprised. If we look at the indicators, stochastic is really going down at 54. MACD has turned down. So MACD is now bearish. So we have 877 for the blue line and 986 for the orange line. So so it really turned bearish here, and so I'm gonna change. So this is still, this is still a green. This is still a green thumbs up. This is no longer a green thumbs up. This is a red thumbs down. So this is going down. So we have this, and the DMI also has crossed down. Okay, so that's a surprise. So now we have our two out of the 3 favorites indicators say that this is a downtrend that is being installed now. So so even though we had this this support line that the stock was following. Now it's not following that, and it's not even following the 709 support that we have had for a while. So basically the stock is it's just falling. It's just falling. I don't know the reason. I'm not trying most of the time to understand the reason, because it's always hard. Well, is it because Tesla invested in Bitcoins and people don't trust the company? Is it because of this, because of that? It's hard to be in the minds of millions of people that buy and sell Tesla. So it's really hard to understand that. I just try to concentrate on the chart, and the chart gives us the results of what everybody is thinking in their heads. So basically we are on the Wednesday, so I just think that Tesla is going to go down and maybe retest this support here. So it's just going to give us a chance to get in back lower. That's it. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, Patreoning, Discording. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.